I'm doing it all. Okay, so I got some fencing right here, and I stretched it out. And once I stretch it out, I just find the center, and I walk down and I cut it with some bolt cutters. Okay, so then I came over here and I just cleaned up the area all the way around like that, down on the bottom of the fence line. Okay, and then I got two pieces here, so I'm going to connect these two pieces, and then right up there along the fence, I'm going to tuck it up to it, and I'm going to attach it every so often, so nothing could dig over there. They would have to be out about 2 feet to go up and under, and they're not going to do that. So up and over this, I'm going to put chips or mulch all the way over. I'm not going to put that under the ground. I'm going to put stuff over it to give me weed protection and to have all kinds of microbes in it and bugs in it. And when bugs go in there at nighttime, the chickens get them in the morning. Yeah, I know. So anyway, there's really nothing to it. All you got to do is find yourself some scrap. In this case, some scrap chain link fencing. Cut it long ways, attach it to the bottom of the fence, put chips over it, and you got yourself some critter protection so they don't dig under your chicken run. Okay, so what I ended up doing was I lifted up the 2x4 and I stuck the fencing over here for the critter protection underneath the 2x4, and now I'm going to put wire through and around so it holds this up against like that, and nothing is going to get up and under there. Okay, so same thing over here. I cut it, I tucked it underneath the 2x4 all the way to the chain link fence, came all the way down. You can see this just lifts, so I get my foot under it. That's going to go up against there, just like that. And then I'm going to go down around that section over there. And then over here in the corner, I folded it over, lapped it, and it goes all the way down. Okay, so I believe you got the point. That's how you critter-proof your chicken run. Besides doing the top and the sides, you want to do the bottom coming out. In this case, it was a 4-foot fence, and I got it coming out 2 feet on the bottom. Ain't nothing gonna go down and under. Hope you enjoyed my bonus footage. So hey, if you like this nice short video on how and what I'm doing to protect my chicken run on the cheap, give me a like, give me a share. Come on over to my Facebook page, come on over to my Facebook group. Subscribe to my channel and you'll see more stuff like this to come up in the future. See you soon.